You already know Diplo is one of the world's biggest DJs and producers, known not just for being Diplo, but also as a member of the electronic music power group Major Lazer. And he's even in a duo with Skrillex known as Jack U. He's probably headlined more festivals in India than anyone else. But how well do you really know Diplo? Here's 5 things you probably didn't know. Number 1. Diplo's love for India spans way before he became a famous musician. 15 years earlier, as a 20-year-old, he came to India as a relief worker for the Red Cross, responding to an earthquake in Gujarat, and ended up staying for 5 months exploring North India. Number 2. Most Indians know that one of the most viewed videos in the history of YouTube, Major Lazer's Lean On, was filmed in India. But did you know they filmed it in India because they were inspired by the fan base the year before at VH1 Supersonic in 2014? They wanted to incorporate the attitude and positive vibes into their video and just do something that embodies the essence of Major Lazer. Diplo also said, Major Lazer has always been a culture mashup, and to us, India feels like some kind of special creature with one foot in history and one firmly in the future. Number 3. Before he shot to fame and fortune, Diplo used to be a school teacher, and he said it was the worst job. He told Complex in an interview in April 2012, "There's no respect for teachers. There's no respect. There's no money. There's no room to grow in that job. I always wanted to do more. I still want to incorporate working with kids, but nobody seems to care. I'm trying to raise awareness with that." Number 4. Major Lazer isn't the only Major Lazer in Diplo's life. He has a 7-year-old son actually named Lazer with girlfriend Catherine Lockhart and another son Lockett aged 11. Number 5. With his group Major Lazer, Diplo made history by becoming the first major EDM act to perform in Havana, Cuba, since diplomatic ties were restored with the US. 500,000 people reportedly turned out for the free show in March 2016 outside the American embassy. Diplo said it was one of the highlights of his career. Stay tuned to Ticket Ferry for more content and trivia.